Okay, I'm at the house here. Okay, so here's what's happening in these seams and stuff. So actually, the cabinet guy should have used some glue here. This is uneven. Actually, this upper cabinet actually moved back. Let me get a picture. So that actually this upper cabinet moved back, so it tilted to the side a little bit and went in like that. That's why it's uneven here at the bottom. And it's even at the top. He did put shims behind here. You can see I put this crowbar there, but there is actually shims here, there, and there to move it out. But it adjusted, so he didn't use glue or something. Where the drawers are cracked. So let's go over here too as well. We're gonna put some screws in these and drill some holes, but here as well. In the corner where it's cracked here in this back corner, it's the same deal. He should use some glue to secure the cabinet so it didn't move at all. But that's why we got cracked there. Same with the front drawers. When they put these handles on, there's these two parts here that come together, and since this is a shaker panel mounted to the edge of this other inset wood, when they put the screws in, it actually pushes it together like that. After a time it cracks. So it's not the paint filling, but it's just the way these were made. So, but we'll fix them all up, get it all done. Same with the bathroom. All right, thanks guys, bye.